Amid the lush Italian landscapes and the panoramic splendor of the Alps, Lake Como emerges as a jewel of unparalleled beauty. This breathtaking lake, with its deep blue waters and mountains draped in the green of ancient forests, has stood as a natural canvas of awe-inspiring views and a silent witness to centuries of history. Here, where echoes of the Roman past mingle with modern-day luxury, Lake Como offers a unique tapestry of cultural and environmental wealth, waiting to be explored.
Lake Como is not merely a destination, it is a chronicle of human history. From its strategic importance in Roman times to being a retreat for aristocracy in the Renaissance, Como has seen civilizations rise and fall. This part of the lake's story begins with its first settlements, which capitalized on its favorable position and abundant resources. In the medieval era, Como became a nexus of commerce and conflict. Its location made it a coveted prize among regional powers. The 19th century saw the construction of some of the lake's most famous villas, which will be explored in further detail in subsequent sections.
The cultural fabric of Lake Como is as rich and varied as its history. The region's culture evolved through influences from the Romans, Lombards, and during the Renaissance. This melting pot of influences has given Como a unique cultural identity, reflected in its traditions and crafts. Silk weaving, introduced in the 14th century, became a cornerstone of Como's economy and cultural identity. Today, Como is renowned worldwide for its high-quality silk products. The lake has inspired many artists and writers, including poets like William Wordsworth.
Lake Como is home to some of Italy's most stunning villas and architectural wonders. Villas such as Villa Carlotta and Villa del Balbianello not only showcase exquisite architectural styles, but also house art collections that span centuries. Each villa tells a story not just of the families who built them, but also of the architects who brought these visions to life. The architectural styles around Lake Como range from neoclassical to Art Nouveau, each adding a unique aesthetic to the lake's shoreline. Prominent architects, including Giuseppe Terragni, have left their mark on the area, infusing modernism into a landscape steeped in history. These structures are not merely residences, but symbols of the cultural and social evolution of the region.
Lake Como is not only famous for its stunning vistas, but also for its rich biodiversity. The lake and its surroundings are home to a variety of plant species, some of which are endemic to the region. The lush gardens of Villa Carlotta showcase everything from azaleas and rhododendrons to ancient cedar trees. The fauna of Lake Como is equally varied, with species adapted to both the aquatic environment and the mountainous terrain. Birdwatchers may spot rare birds such as the peregrine falcon or the night heron. Conservation efforts are crucial in preserving this natural heritage.
The geographical formation of Lake Como, with its deep basin and distinctive Y shape, is a marvel of natural engineering. This configuration is the result of glacial movements during the last ice age, which carved out the deep valleys and left behind the pristine waters that fill the lake today. The lake's shape influences the local climate, creating microenvironments that allow for a surprisingly diverse range of flora and fauna. This unique climate makes Lake Como a year-round destination, with mild winters and pleasant summers.
Lake Como has long been a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and filmmakers, drawn to its tranquil beauty and dramatic landscapes. It has been immortalized in literature by authors such as Alessandro Manzoni in his novel The Betrothed, where the lake forms a backdrop to this classic tale of love and adventure. In film, Lake Como has played a starring role in movies like Casino Royale, where its scenic vistas provided the perfect setting for drama and intrigue. The allure of Como attracts filmmakers looking for a location that adds visual majesty to their narratives. The lake's timeless beauty, combined with its rich cultural history, makes it a perennial favorite for those seeking to capture the essence of Italy.
The culinary landscape of Lake Como is as diverse as its natural one. Local cuisine here is a reflection of the lake's rich cultural heritage and geographical bounty. Dishes such as risotto con filetti di pesce persico, a risotto made with local perch fish, encapsulate the fusion of local ingredients and traditional Italian cooking techniques. Lake Como is also renowned for its cheeses, like the semi-soft taleggio, and its wines, which are gaining international recognition. The terraced vineyards around the lake benefit from the unique microclimate, producing distinctive flavors that are characteristic of the region.
Lake Como has long been a haven for celebrities and influential figures, drawn by its privacy and stunning beauty. This part of the video delves into how this exclusive allure began and how it has shaped the lake's identity in the modern world. We'll explore the stories of famous residents and visitors, from Hollywood stars to renowned artists and writers. The infusion of high-profile residents has led to the development of luxury services and facilities, catering to a clientele that demands exclusivity and privacy. This segment discusses how local communities and authorities manage these challenges, striving to uphold the authenticity of the Como experience while accommodating its glamorous guests.
Lake Como isn't just a scenic retreat, it's a vibrant center of art and expression. This segment explores the vibrant art scene, highlighting local galleries, annual art events, and the artists who are inspired by the lake's serene environment. We delve into how the natural beauty of the area serves as a muse for various forms of artistic expression, from painting and sculpture to photography and film. We also look at the educational opportunities available in the arts, including workshops and classes that draw participants from around the world. This exploration includes interviews with local artists who share their stories about how Lake Como influences their work and creativity.
Lake Como is renowned for its array of outdoor and sporting activities, making it a paradise for adventure enthusiasts. In this segment, we cover the wide range of sports available, from sailing and windsurfing on the lake to hiking and cycling in the surrounding hills. The lake's geography makes it an ideal venue for sailing competitions and regattas. We also explore less well-known sports like paragliding and rock climbing, offering adrenaline-packed experiences. These activities enhance the tourist experience, providing visitors with unique ways to engage with the natural environment.
The gardens of Lake Como, with their exotic plants and sophisticated designs, are among the most beautiful in the world. Let's explore the famous gardens attached to the villas around the lake, such as those at Villa Carlotta and Villa Melzi, which draw thousands of visitors each year. The role of these gardens in conservation efforts is also highlighted, showing how they contribute to preserving rare plant species and providing educational resources about botanical diversity. Their dedication ensures that these gardens continue to enchant visitors with their beauty and tranquility.
Lake Como's appeal is year-round, with each season offering its own unique charm and set of activities. The lake transforms with the seasons, from the vibrant blooms of spring to the snowy silences of winter. Spring and summer attract tourists and outdoor enthusiasts, autumn for cultural festivals and culinary experiences, and winter for holiday celebrations and sports. Local businesses adapt to seasonal changes, offering services and products that cater to visitors year-round. This adaptability sustains the local economy and enhances the tourist experience.
As Lake Como continues to attract global attention, the challenge of sustainable tourism becomes increasingly important. Taking a closer look in this segment explores strategies to ensure tourism growth does not compromise the environmental integrity or cultural heritage of Como. Initiatives include eco-friendly accommodations, promoting local crafts, and regulations to protect the lake. Technology plays a role in managing tourist flows and promoting lesser-known attractions. Reflecting on the future, Como aims to remain a sustainable destination for generations to come.
Lake Como, with its stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture, offers a unique glimpse into the heart of Italy. From its ancient origins to its modern-day allure, the lake has been a source of inspiration and a place of refuge for people from all walks of life. As we reflect on the journey through Lake Como's past and present, we are reminded of the importance of preserving this magnificent heritage. It is up to us, as stewards of such beauty, to ensure that Lake Como remains a source of wonder and inspiration for future generations.